Hi, again, this is Android application development. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an Android button using Java Eclipse. So, one of the most basic elements in any graphical user interface is the button. So, in this tutorial, we'll talk about creating a button and adding it to our application. So, you need to open the Eclipse. So, in this select workspace, I will type button. Now let's make an Android project. First, you need to open file, then new, then select Android application. So you have to specify the application name, the project name, and the package name in the appropriate text field. So I'm using button example. Then after that, click next. So in the next window, make sure the create activity option is selected in order to create a new activity for your project and click next. So just click next. Now uh, just select blank activity, then click next. So you will be asked to specify some information about the new activity. In the layout name text field, you have to specify the name of the file that will contain the layout description of your app. In our case, uh, the file is just main. Then click finish. So it's still loading. So in adding a button to your application, navigate to uh, rest, then select layout, then main.xml. So this file is the layout description for the activity you've created. When you open this file, Eclipse will display the graphical layout editor. So this is a very quick and easy tool in which you can create a simple user interface. For example, you can drag and drop a button from form widgets to the screen in the main window. But when you need to customize, it in a greater detail, you will have to use the traditional way, and that is editing. So click the main menu tab in the bottom of the screen to open the main XML and paste the following. So I have already uh, downloaded some codes in the internet. Uh, don't worry if you do not have a background in the programming language. Just search some examples or button examples in the internet. So, copy paste this one. So this is the codes that I've uh, downloaded through internet. So once you've uh, paste this code, you can click the graphical layout tab, and you will see this example. So you can always go back to the graphical layout editor and preview the UI or the user interface you created in the XML file. So, so next is go to the Java file of the activity and uh, delete this code. Then I have some codes that I've downloaded in the internet. So just uh, copy this one. So just delete this number. So that's it. Uh, Once you have paste the codes, you can go back to the main, then select graphical layout. So this must be uh, the main screen of your application. So, and when you click this button, you will uh, you will see or a browser tab will open in the Java Code Geeks homepage, like this one. If you click this one, it will directly go to the Java codegeeks.com. So that's it. So once you have created an Android button, uh, you are successfully done with this tutorial. Thank you.